So how na day? Even now we go where because yeah. So once I don't say he don't sit. I be he don't sit when we say yes. I come out, come dance and busy here. Eh? So we busy now on one side now. So I greet everybody. Happy New Month. Happy weekend. Today na Friday. So I wish everybody happy Friday and happy New Month. Eh? So God will bless all of una. Good thing upon my children, anywhere one they go. God will always protect una, my people. So now see I say everywhere I see be so make will always hold Baba God tight. Now only in one be the ultimate. Now only in one I will feel help us in every situation, in everything. When we say yes, the enemy not they sleep because they don't get peace. Okay, but waiting will do make will always hold our Baba tight because now only in one be the ultimate, as I talked before. You or when a day when a them because now I they follow. Now he be my papa, now he be my husband, now he be everything to me. So why are they talk this thing? We don't enter new month today, not be our power, not be your power. Not be say you get power well. Not be say you get now your hey, you be egbe wager. No. If God not in your life, okay. Not be say those when see they get the problem, God not in their life, but we not ask God question. God know the best, okay. But one thing we will always hold about God tight, okay. And so now waiting the message when I can give this evening, and make I wish everybody happy New Month and God bless all of una, bless una home, bless una children, and anywhere one they always they go, wanna always wash una back and why we and secondly, and what's everywhere be now. The world we don't know where it go, we don't know where it come from. So make it everybody always so wanna always look where una they pull leg. This now what I always tell people I'm not perfect too. I'm not be editing no but I love all of una because yes, God will bless one for me. As soon as they watch me, they share my video, God will bless all of una. I know say devil is a liar. So anywhere when devil did for us, God will always conquer them. Okay, because when they dark, everybody sleep. We don't know who they so now Baba God, that light, I will tell they protect us, will put that light upon our life, upon our children's life. Baba they happen for everywhere. It happen for people, it happen for others. You know, go reach on a day, you know, go reach on a children day, you know, go reach on a family day. You know, go see reach where my own day and where my family day also. God will always protect everybody. And all of you, I want to still do this Europe. The thing one I can't find for Europe, I go to the bless you. I don't go see sorrow, I don't go see any bad thing. Blessing upon blessing, favor upon favor. Good thing. Anywhere you enter, they say road not there, blessing. Already blessing there. The enemy that's make you not enter there because say if you go there, good thing will come out. Now lie they talk. That road, the God will open that door of blessing upon all of you, upon all my followers, okay? Upon those when they follow me, upon those when they like me, upon those when they say yes, they see good for me and then they help me and God will always bless me. Those when they say yes, they don't see they follow me, they see good, God will see they bless all of you. Those when see they insult me without I don't still do them anything, I see God will still bless everybody because me I not the hate person because yes, this is about God when I put my hope, so I always put my hope for him, okay? And I be the ultimate, I be my papa, so I don't get any other God, okay? People may laugh me, people may say many things where oh I know who you want to call, am I woman or you no one. So you were otako egbogie. Who get gossip, who get sight of who. Now their mouth they talk. As far as say, you know they go their house, go they eat. They don't give you clothes, they don't give money to eat. You they struggle on your own. You are mother of your own. Always happy with yourself. Anything when you get, use it. Tomorrow is another day. I go one he no look person say this one get money I want be like no because you don't know what they always tell now you don't know what that person him or her they pass through okay or say I want one he blind pray God will always make a way when there's no way okay now they make way when we not there when the enemy thinks say way not there I say I say yo hungry go killer now devil bag go come out push shame for the enemy body so mona always go grab her okay now me I grapple because I don't get papa get mama now he be my papa now he be my mama okay so now he be everything to me even now he the God now he be the papa of that children also when God give me so as God they protect me God will see they protect all my children all my grandchildren okay so also with now when you still get grandchildren, when you still get children, God will always protect my children, protect my grandchildren. So my people, this now what I can tell you now. No, we just see dance together. And one thing I see they sorry for that mama OKH when they say yes, lost of what happened to her. I did very sorry. My Condolence mama, I better take heart. Anyway, we don't feel ask God question. He did for the best place. So may God protect you and give you that strength. Make you come over all this stress. And one thing, make you not worry. That is who they keep person. They claim person property. No, but area form they talking for Bini or so, Mama, I did your side. I be your fans also. I don't they wash you since when I small. So I beg, take heart, Mama. God will always give you that strength and power, okay? And God will protect the rest. And who will of Papa? No take KG. And also Bobua, we may gala boyaga or Saboya go work with Mama. I beg, wanna help me share the video, may still reach a hand. Please, Mama, I beg, take heart, because I'm where on my mama or where person don't get this thing for body. Because this thing don't still happen to me years ago. So not be waiting that they happy for and not be waiting that they say, hey, yes, okay, we'll always give time to God. Now you know the best. Okay. So my people, this is not what I come tell you this evening. Make I just come wish everybody happy new month and now be this. So make I play one music. Make I go do waiting I want to do. One and not best for me, okay? Now don't say me I know they always they come out, and if I want come out, I come out for my exercise, my cooking. Once I'll still dance. But they always they come out, they dance. Is that because of copyright? You know, say when you go play some music, before you don't know you put red hype, which kind of wahala this one. So now, so my people, I make me not just come back on the dance as before because of the copyright when they give. I know they sing. That's why you see say they put old music. It good because all these people they still suffer for their music. So when we see, I understand. Person don't feel good. They chop another person labor when they say it don't labor put. But one thing they're supposed to know, say as we see they play, people see they know who don't know that music before. They'll come they play. But it good. Everybody make we suffer. That is the suffer one will suffer with our hand. Make we enjoy and I go more. And I wait till they always pray for. So may I play this music? May all of us go sleep, okay? I know we come out because I did this is one and obvious. So we just play this one. My people, I don't say now music me I do. So na so remind me say no ya vampo wadugbo this Paulo music phone awa ko we o my ko we ba o okay wa dan la dan peke see the one I dey look for so adelana patoko pupuse na ya eku bago ko ni me pupuse ni lo oko aonu ya ni me ta gi ni no la o le o la sa aonu ya ni me si sa le ni no la o le o she ko aonu ya ni me ta gi ni no la o le o la sa aonu ya ni
I
So my people, I don't waste my time. So I dey enjoy my jump when I dey jump. You see, I say if you dey do exercise, body don't go dey heavy you. You see, so na so my people. I don't say body dey heavy now. Dey heavy now. Why they am yo? So na so my people. So una do well. I say me I just come wish everybody happy new month and happy weekend. Okay, so why cool, eh? So good night. Wanna take off on myself. I don't want to make the video too long. I want to watch my video. Wanna always enjoy and hold yourself. Now let the music alone, self. You know, say as I tell now before, because of copyright. So the music you get me because I can't be very asking me. If you want to walk me and see me, so on the OG, so we not be OG. So we see me and understand. So my people, I greet all of you. Now do well on a good night and wanna take off on herself. And happy Saturday, happy Sunday, happy. Okay, why we may work on? Okay, wanna always mind business, your own business. Okay, I know say a lot of people. You get one guy when you always say come come after me when I don't come after him. You see, say I know they worry. Why? Because as that music talk say, you don't feel they do waiting everybody like, and normally everybody cannot like you. That one are true and basic. Okay, so anything way they do, always focus for that thing way they do. Mind your what you they do. Continue. When I see all these Oyibo people celebrate all of them get gossip, all of them get haters, all of them they don't pass through a lot of temptation. But today where they did, because of the bad belly when some women get Nigeria and the family, they not go allow you grow. If you not be papa family, go be mama family, go be where you come from. Okay, then because of that one, they would press people, make people not grow. And all these Oyibo people, they see them before they point, they don't grow, all of them don't be. But I just still pray, may God still help everybody when they do video, anything one that they do, may God lift everybody up, okay? Because may they know us for good, not for bad, okay? God will bless all of you now. Do well, one no vessel, So I know say I always they talk my own like that, and I don't want to offend nobody, and God bless you all. I greet everybody and good night. One love.